Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
I have a beautiful condo to show you, so why wait? We're on the west end. Let's go. Welcome to this beautiful 2-bed, 2-bath condo here at Beachwalk. You're so close to the sand. I love how much space is in this single level. It's been updated with paint and floors. You've got room for your guests, plenty of space for a little bit larger of a table even. And this kitchen has been updated beautifully with some quartz countertops and new cabinetry. It's perfect as a second home or even for a rental. So let's go check out the bedrooms. Welcome into the main ensuite of this 2-bed unit. I love all this light flooding in from this wall with sliders. And what's really great about these is your proximity to the sand. That's what's most important, right? You've got plenty of space here. You do have your ensuite that has also been updated. So that's a plus. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you with the added details of everything for this unit. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any beauties like this one.